Countdown, Rachel Riley asks Nick Hewer why he's not married. Sign up for free now for the biggest moments from morning TV. Subscribe and valid email. When you subscribe, we will use the information you provide to send you these newsletters. Sometimes they'll include recommendations for other related newsletters or services. Our privacy notice explains more about how we use your data and your rights. You can unsubscribe at any. Ann Robinson was revealed to be the new Countdown host on Steph's Packed Lunch today. Steph McGovern announced the news after teasing Channel 4 viewers with a Countdown-inspired conundrum of the weakest link. Presenter will take over from Nick, who has fronted the show for 10 years, after he announced his departure from the show in December 2020. On today's Steph's Packed Lunch, the presenter confirmed the new Countdown host would be revealed later. However, Countdown fans could find out which famous face would be fronting the show by working out a Anton Dubecca and Chef Freddie Forster tried their hardest to solve the clue, but to no avail. While comedian Russell Kane joked he was certain Princess Anne would be unveiled as the new host. Channel 4 viewers flocked to Twitter to share their thoughts on the new presenter after one tweeted, "Ann Robinson, the new host of Countdown, I am obsessed." Someone else said, "Never got any Countdown conundrums until Ann Robinson." While a third joked, "Sir Ben Annan, never heard of him." #pack. It's Ann Robinson, and I hope to God she does it weakest link style, on her new role, and said, "Thank you for keeping the secret. I'm very excited. I want to rename it Three Clever Girls Doing Cat." Are you looking forward to it? Steph asked and Ann replied, "Very much. Susie and Rachel are very clever, very young, very pretty and much thinner than you're amazing too, and you look fabulous, so you will fit right in." Steph remarked, "I'll tell you what's great about the show, very clever contestants that have to walk at speed and they do it in 30 seconds, the new host continued. "I'm no as the queen of mean, but I promise you I've been practicing to be nice, not always successfully," she added. "I'm going to tone down my nastiness." On her infamous weakest link catchphrase, and revealed, "It came about from the pilot. I got really cheese off with the contestant and just said it. They're best developed as they happen real." The new Countdown host revealed she was scared of Susie and Rachel's brains and added, "Three women will transform things. It will be count." Last year, Nick announced he would be stepping down as host as the most recent national lockdown caused him to consider. Nick tweeted, "Delighted to be back in the Countdown studio after another enforced lockdown, but this latest lockdown has given me an opportunity to consider my future. Trending, I've decided it's a good time to step down at the end of my contract in the new." As someone in his 77th year, who will be in his 10th year hosting the great British institution that is Countdown, I think it's time to smell the flowers and get a dog. But let me now take the opportunity to say that it's been a privilege and a pleasure to take the helm of Countdown, first broadcast back in 1982 and still a Guinness record. Although I'll be on your screens well into 2021, let me thank the broadcasters, Channel 4, the truly dedicated and unwaveringly professional studio crew and production staff at ITV Studios who make the programs, all 250 years, my wonderfully talented co-hosts Susie Dent and Rachel Riley, but above all, the quirky genius of producer Damien Eating, who never ceases to amuse and who always demands the best of us. And a sincere thanks to our loyal viewers and of course the legions of contestants who battle their brains out for the chance of carrying off the Richard Whiteley Trophy or a priceless teapot. And so, to whoever takes my seat, I wish you every success and hope that you have as much fun and reward as I've enjoyed. Nick had been temporarily replaced by Colin Murray while the veteran presenter stayed at home during the pandemic. Countdown airs weekdays on Channel 4 at 14.10. Steph's Packed Lunch airs weekdays on Channel 4 at 30 p.m.